Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. So first we use ultramarine color and the next one is green color. Kids, this one is black color, red color. The last one is yellow color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use ultramarine color and draw the alphabet of A. Ultramarine color. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Now we draw B. B for ball. And now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we use green color. The color of green. And draw E. E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for gorilla. And now we draw H. H for hand. We again use green color and now we draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we draw J. J for joker. And K for kite. Kids, now we draw L. L for lemon. Now we use black color. Black color. And draw the letter of L. L for lemon. Now we draw M. M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw P. P for penguin. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we use red color and draw the letter of R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for snake, S for sun. We again use red color and now we draw T. T for tiger. The next one is U. U for umbrella. And now we draw V. V for vanilla. Kids, now we use yellow color. Yellow color. And now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. And Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Now we use blue color. Kids, now we use blue color and draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. We again use blue color and now we draw 2. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now we draw 4 and the next one is 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw 7. We again use blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And now we draw the number of 8. And the next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.